How to create an email list for Beats on Mailchimp. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Log into Mailchimp and go to the Audience tab. Click on Create Audience to start building a new email list. 2. Enter the details for your audience, including the audience name, default sender email, and sender name. Make sure your sender name is professional and recognizable. 3. Customize the audience settings by enabling double opt-in for better engagement and compliance with email regulations. 4. Create a custom sign-up form by going to Sign Up Forms under the Audience section. Customize the form fields to collect names, emails, and any other necessary information. 5. Copy the sign-up form link and share it on your social media, website, or landing pages to attract beat producers, artists, and music lovers. 6. Set up an automated welcome email under the Automations tab so new subscribers receive a confirmation email when they join your list. 7. Monitor your email list growth using Mailchimp's analytics and regularly send engaging content to keep your audience active and interested in your beats.